Hello, today I'm in Suzuki Vitara. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can mute radio, change radio source, change radio volume and change radio station. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can change forward assistant length, enable cruise control, speed limiter and manage them. Of course, if you press right here you will use horn, and right here we've got the buttons thanks to which we can activate
Please say the command.
voice assistant,
Ending speech recognition.
answer calls and end calls. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.